Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jaita and friends call me Rima, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a Rakhi for your brother for Rakshabandhan in an easy method. But before moving to that video, if you like my video and like DIY home decoration type content, make sure you hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more upcoming DIY videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. To make this Rakhi, I'm using this MDF cutout. If you do not have any MDF cutout at your home, you can simply use any thick cardboard, this red dhaga, and some of beads, Fevicryl colors and paintbrush. At first, I'm coloring the board with white. I forgot to mention earlier that before painting, I have drilled these 2 holes. Now I'm taking this mustard yellow color . Now let it dry and keep it aside. Now start threading the beads. Now put the thread through the hole and tie a knot over here. Cut this excess part. Now here at the end, tie another knot. Now I'm taking a black Fevicryl color and just writing the code. and this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give the like button and share this video with your friends and family, and try to make this Rakhi for your brother for Rakshabandhan, because nothing is more special than handmade Rakhi for your brother. So see you in this week. I will not tell you that see you in next week, because in this week I'm coming with another Rakshabandhan project. So stay tuned, stay safe. Bye bye.